Hi traders, today we're going to talk about a powerful pattern in Forex trading known as the Quasimodo pattern. If you're new to Forex trading, don't worry, we'll start with the basics. Forex trading is all about buying and selling currency pairs in the hopes of making a profit. To be successful in Forex trading, it's important to understand key patterns and signals that can indicate when to buy or sell a currency. This is where the Quasimodo pattern comes in. In this video, we'll explain what the Quasimodo pattern is, how to spot it, and how to use it to make informed trading decisions. Let's get started. The Quasimodo pattern is a reversal pattern that occurs when a currency pair reaches a significant high or low, but then quickly reverses direction. The pattern is named after the character Quasimodo from the novel The Hunchback of Notre Dame due to the pattern's shape resembling a hunchback. To spot the Quasimodo pattern, look for a sharp peak or trough in the price chart, followed by a quick reversal in the opposite direction. It's important to note that the reversal should be significant enough to make it clear that the trend has changed. The Quasimodo pattern can be a powerful indicator of a trend reversal and can be used by traders to make informed trading decisions. In the next section, we'll show you how to use the Quasimodo pattern in your Forex trading strategy. Now that we understand what the Quasimodo pattern is, let's talk about how to use it in Forex trading. One of the key benefits of the Quasimodo pattern is that it can be used to confirm trend reversals. If you see a Quasimodo pattern forming, it may be a good idea to consider selling a currency if the trend was previously going up, or buying a currency if the trend was previously going down. It's important to note that the Quasimodo pattern is just one tool in your Forex trading toolkit. It's always a good idea to use multiple indicators and techniques to confirm your trading decisions. Look at this example. The Quasimodo pattern can be a valuable tool for Forex traders. By understanding what the pattern is and how to use it, you can make more informed trading decisions and potentially improve your Forex trading results. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the Quasimodo pattern in Forex trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Forex trading tips and strategies.